Hi there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this glossy nude look. This is a very easy and simple style that you can achieve in just 1 minute. I'm going to be using just two products. The first one is going to be the nude look, which is the Nature Beauty Long Lasting Lip Gloss in the color Val Martino. And on top of that, I'm going to be using the Clear Nude lip gloss, which is the Absolute Long Lasting lip gloss. You can apply this in whatever thickness and consistency that you want. I did not want mine to be so thick, but if you want yours to be very thick and colorful, you can go ahead and do that. And then when you're done, you just go ahead and use your cloth or fingers to line or clean off any edges that may be sticking out, and then you smack your lips together, and there you have it. Your look is complete. Simple, quick, and easy. Please guys, take a moment and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, it means a lot. And take a moment to comment down below your favorite lip look or your favorite lip combo. So that's it for this video guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.